Hi. I'm still in Jusco Kepong Mall, and as I was filming something else, this company came and called me. They're called Vooka or Vooka. I think it's Vooka. They're Korean high-speed detox juice makers. That is the product right there. And they called me. They asked me if I'd video them. I said, all right. That is the www.oca.com.my. Korea's #1 selling blender, devices, heater, whatever this is. So let me go check it out. Let me go check out what is going on. And there's a lot of people in front of here. Hello. Hi, who runs this place? Hi. YouTube, okay?
Hi, YouTube.
What's your name?
I'm Chloe.
Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
Yes.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi. Do you have a minute?
Yeah.
Can you tell me your product?
Yeah, can. No problem.
Okay. Chloe, I brought some of my friends.
Okay.
I'm going to ask my friends. I know you have blenders in your product.
Yeah.
This is my friend Joanne. That's Joanne from my previous video. Say hello, Joanne.
Hello.
Hello. That's Joanne. She's going to test some products here. And this is... Okay, Chloe, tell me your product. You have a tattoo. Can I see your tattoo?
Oh, yeah, can.
Oh, both hands. Anchor.
Yeah,
And what is this?
This is a triangle.
I know it's a triangle.
This is the same point for anytime what you want to do, you have to think about it.
Wow.
For 3 times. Yeah.
Wow. I don't know what the symbol is. I'm definitely going to
1,
look it up.
2, 3.
There's 3 triangles within each other. And
This is
one,
an
Chloe?
anchor.
It's an anchor.
For freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Chloe.
Yeah.
Tatted out.
Yes.
Chloe, so tell me about your product.
My product, this one is a high-speed detox juice machine.
Yes.
Okay, and then this one they can cook. They got a heater, they can cook. They can blend. Yeah, maybe the miss can try our juice. Yeah.
Okay, this is what?
This is a blender, can cook, can blend.
Can cook and can blend.
Yeah, cooking and blending.
It's red juice, green juice, rice pasta, soya, milk, baby food, smoothie, soup, whatever. And how much is this blender?
Oh, this is normal price is 390. 3,900.
3,900.
Yeah.
And this one?
This 3 cents.
All the 3 cents.
Yeah.
What is this blender doing right now?
They're boiling now.
They're boiling.
Yeah.
Okay, this is I think you only sell blenders.
And then we got sell another one is air fryer.
Air fryer. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay, Chloe's taking me to the air fryer spot. This is an air fryer. Chloe's going to show it to me. What is the name of it? Oh, it's also Vooka.
Yeah, this is our brand.
This is Vooka, is it?
Yes.
Can you open it?
Yes. They're like this. Okay. And then you see.
Yes.
They open like this. They can separating or
Yes.
for the machine. There are only one in Malaysia that can pick up and wash.
This is the only air fryer in Malaysia that you can take up and wash.
Yeah.
How much is this air fryer?
This one is 1299.
Sorry?
1899.
1899.
Yeah.
So if I bought one from you, will you give me a discount?
Yeah, maybe.
What's maybe?
Because this one is in our now, we got a discount for the promotion time.
I am advertising you for free.
Yeah.
Tell your company to give it to me for cost plus 10.
Oh.
Ah.
This one if you do a promotion is 1299.
We'll talk about it, Chloe.
Yeah.
Okay, so the name of the what? This is...
Air fryer.
How can I open it?
Open again.
Open again?
Yeah.
How many products can it... How many? It's like chicken. Can you put a whole chicken in here?
Yeah. This one can put 1.5 kilo chicken.
You can put 1.5 kilo chicken here.
Yeah.
Do you have to rotate it?
No.
It just sit there.
Yeah.
And it's air frying.
Yes.
How long for 1.5 kg chicken?
30
How long?
minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's fried.
And then they extract the oil.
And then the oil comes out.
Yeah.
Okay, what other products do you sell, Chloe? This is a Vooka air fryer for 1,000. How much again?
1,900.
1,900 ringgit.
Yeah.
And it's marvelous. I've tried some old ones before. Previously when I was in the States I've tried air fryers. I've never tried this brand, so I don't know. This brand is made in Korea. They have air fryers and Detox juice machines here. And how much was the Detox juice machine?
The one is 3,900.
How much?
3,900.
3,900.
Yeah.
So I have some friends here. I brought some friends here. This is my friend. Say hello. Hello. Hi. I want my friend, for you to let my friend try one of those. Can you do that? Okay. You try it.
Yes, sure, I
And you
try.
be honest and tell everybody that's watching YouTube what it tastes like, how it is, and what it is. Okay?
Okay.
Please, because be honest.
Okay.
You guys are not friends. It's a different company. So,
Yes.
what is this?
This is a pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Pumpkin paste.
Pumpkin paste.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try this.
This-
But it's very hot.
Okay.
That's pumpkin paste. Let me
Yes.
see. Is it thick? Can you shake it?
Shake it. Shake it.
No, it's kind of liquidy. Pumpkin paste. Put your finger in there.
Half finger.
Yeah.
My finger dirty.
I want to see how thick it is.
Finger.
Oh, it's kind of thick. Finger. How does it taste?
It's a bit soft.
Don't worry about her. You tell me how it tastes.
Okay, let me drink first, okay?
Yes.
Oh my god, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, this something tastes like the how to say 那个番薯讲讲。
Potato.
Potato, yeah.
Tastes like potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato,
Yeah,
but this is
something
pumpkin.
similar.
This is pumpkin,
Yeah, this is
but it
pumpkin.
tastes like sweet potato.
Yeah, because we blend all.
Now call your friends and ask them to try. That's Jaden, right? Jaden, from a previous video, he's doing a cameo here for this Vooka machine. Yes, give Jaden one and give Maggie one. Jaden's going to try.
It's like potato, sweet potato, but it's not like sweet potato sweet. This will bring a bit sweet on it. It's suitable, I think suitable for the diabetes person.
How does it taste, Jaden?
Tastes like potato.
Tastes like potato.
I think this one is suitable for the diabetes.
Diabetes.
Yeah.
What is this good for?
This is good for diabetic people.
Yes.
For if you got high pressure blood,
Yes.
you can use this for reducing. For reduce.
Blood pressure reduction.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is this machine again?
3,900.
This is not the same machine we saw earlier, right? This is a different machine.
Yeah, this is the product. Is pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
This is
How
the
much is it?
product. This one is 1059.
1059, 1050.
Yeah.
And how much is this
This
thing?
one is 39.
3,900
3,900.
ringgit. So how did it taste?
It's good. Actually, I like it.
Will you pay $3,900 for this machine?
If I got money, I will pay. I will buy.
You pay. Oh, you're licking the cup. Ayo.
No waste.
Hang on. Give him some more. Give him some more. You like it?
Good.
You pay 3,900 for it?
If I have a family, I will buy.
You remember you said this, because when you get married, they're going to ask you to buy one.
Sure, I will buy.
Alright, that's good. Enjoy. On the house. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Very like this. Very nice.
So if you have money, you're going to buy one of
Yeah,
these.
if I have money. Because
Yeah.
now I know regular salary, so I got money.
You see, she's promoting your company really well.
Yeah.
You tell your boss,
Yeah.
either give her a huge discount or give her some money for promoting your company really, really well.
Okay.
This is promotion. This will be seen worldwide. People like her, people like him. So what they're going to do is they're going to listen to them, and your company will probably get some calls and sales and whatever in this company. So what other products do you have? Is this the only one you have to taste? Do you have any other?
Yes, I do.
What?
5 things.
Bring some more. You want to taste some more?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. They're asking for soya milk, so that's where she is. Hello. Hi. What's your name?
Me.
May. Say hello to your family, May. Hi. May is working. May is shy. And there's another girl here. YouTube, 1 minute. Hi. What's your name?
Hi,
Suki.
Yeah.
Sukiyaki. Say hello to your family. Say hello to your family.
Hello, friends.
Your mother, your father, everybody.
Hello, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather.
Very good. Thanks, Suki. So this is what is this?
This is peanut soya.
Peanut soya.
Yeah, open it.
Yes. So this is peanut soya milk that
Yeah.
boiling. I can't see inside.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like from a distance. Peanut soya. Try it. Give him one.
Oh my god. Nice.
You are promoting this company really, really
No,
well.
because this is really nice. This one is really nice. It's like
Don't
Pasang
lie
Fu.
to me.
Yeah,
Don't
sure.
lie to everybody watching this. Be honest.
Yeah, this like this some feel like Pasang Fu 怎样讲 peanut
Peanut punch.
peanut punch. Yeah, that one is my favorite.
Tell your boss to give her a huge discount and give her one for Chinese New Year. Okay?
Okay.
Tell your boss. Make sure the boss gives you one free. How does it taste, Aiden?
Just nice.
Tastes nice?
Just nice. Not too sweet. And just nice. Everything is alright. Okay.
She's laughing. So good.
Yes, good.
Wow.
Can give me one. Yeah.
Wow. That good.
Then finish it because it's too hot.
Wow, it's that good. So what other products you have? You have, huh?
We got 3 products.
You got 3 products.
Yeah.
Go ahead, pitch it.
One is for this, for the blender they can cook in.
Blender, cooker blender.
Yeah, they can do detox juice also.
And what?
Detox.
And for detox, again, how much is this blender cooker?
3,900.
3,900 ringgit for this blender cooker. Second product,
Second product is the pressure cooker.
that's the pressure cooker that was
Yeah.
sitting here. It has gone missing.
Yeah.
I think it's sitting down there right now. That is the pressure cooker right there.
Yeah.
How much is it?
That one is 1,059.
It's 1,059 ringgit.
Yeah.
And the third product,
And the third product is our air fryer.
that is the air fryer right there. And how much is that?
That one is 1,899.
1899. They are vodka products, you see. Let me zoom out here. Vodka high-speed detox machine, that's a machine. They have vacuum cleaners. I didn't see this. Is this a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah.
Is that your product?
Yes.
Oh, why do you have a vacuum cleaner with all this health products?
Because this one is our company is combining.
Combining.
Yeah.
So you have a vacuum cleaner. Anything special about it?
Yeah,
Multifunctioning, polishing vacuum cleaner.
They can polishing and they
If-
can dash my.
It polishes. I won't give much time for this vacuum cleaner. It's also made by Vooka. It's polishing, cleans dust mites, and that's an OCA vacuum cleaner. That's what it looked like. How much is it?
This one is 1,999.
1,999 ringgit, 2,000 ringgit. That is the 2 sippers. It polishes tiles, floor tiles, and scrubs, and all kinds of stuff. That's vacuum cleaner. Also by Vodka. I hope your company is going to give you a bonus, a raise, ang pao for doing this video.
Yeah.
So are these all your products? There's
Yeah.
4 products.
Yeah.
Pro- 4 products. Hi. So let me give you some FaceTime. Wait. Let me give you some FaceTime. Hello. Do you work here, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You work here. You work here?
Yes.
What do you do?
I cook.
You cook. That's it. And you're shy. And this girl runs away. And so how was the peanut punch?
This peanut punch is looks very sweet, It actually is all the product is suitable for the diabetes person because diabetes person cannot drink too sweet.
The funny part is, this lady works for Vooka. This lady is just a customer right now, and she's selling this lady's product, and you're doing a good job for her. So when you get your bonus, take her out for dinner, will you? Okay. So this is very nice. Would you buy this if you had money?
Yes, I will buy.
You would buy this. Where's Maggie? Ask Maggie to come and try. I'm going to get a third person to try this. Hey, hello.
Hi.
You work here.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Say hello to your mother.
This. Hello, buddy.
Not buddy, your family, your mother, your father. Say hello to somebody. 恭喜發財 to your family.
發財，聖誕快樂。
Okay, that's Daniel. I think Daniel is your
boyfriend.
Daniel is her boyfriend,
Yeah.
and they're two together. Hi, how are you? She's back, and this is Maggie. Maggie, I want you to try this. Maggie's from a previous shoot, and Maggie's going to try something different. What is that, Maggie?
This one is ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yeah.
Maggie, try the ginseng and tell me how it
Red
tastes.
and ginseng. It was a tea for breathing and for our breath, our blood. Yeah, this is for healthy.
Purifies your blood.
Yeah.
Maggie, taste it. Tell me what you think.
Delicious and yummy.
Delicious and yummy. Taste it.
This is a red. Inside got 5 things.
She's trying to explain this ginseng, yes? She's trying to explain this ginseng tea to me. I don't know.
Inside got the ingredients.
What are the ingredients? This is ginseng?
Yeah, we are cooking the ginseng.
You're cooking the ginseng.
Yeah.
When I'm finished with this, can you let me try all of this
Yeah,
stuff?
can. No problem.
Yes. So, this is ginseng. Maggie, what do you say? Good? You like it?
like
If you had 4,000 ringgits, will you buy this?
Maybe. Maybe. I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Oh, yeah.
Don't eat the cup, Maggie.
Oh.
Don't eat the cup. That's not part of this deal, okay? Don't eat the cup. So, anytime you see Maggie, or you see Maggie's friend, anytime you see Maggie's friend, if you have products here, you have to promise to give them free tries. Okay? You said that on video. Maggie, you and your friends come, make sure you get free stuff, okay? Okay? So, okay, now, give me a final pitch about your products. Tell me about your product.
Final pitch.
Tell me your final sales. Tell me about your product.
Okay.
Tell Malaysia, tell the world about your products.
Okay, my product in Malaysia, there are only one. They can doing high-speed detox juice machine. They can do a detox juice. They can cook the juice until warm. Yeah, and this one can cook it. They can blend together. Yeah, a glass.
And that's how much again?
3,900.
4,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
4,000 ringgit. Do you have one?
Yeah, my husband too.
You have two.
Yeah.
Either you're rich or you're getting a good.
One for my grandmother.
One for your mother, one for your grandmother. Very nice, very nice. So how long are you going to be here for?
Until 2 days.
2 days.
2 days.
So in Jusco Mall for 2 days. So if somebody wants to buy a product, where can they find you?
You can buy online.
So this is online right there, www.oca.com.my. So these are the products that you've seen today, and you've seen Chloe pitch the products for this company. I hope your company watches this video and gives you a bonus just for pitching the products for free. Chloe, Kong Hei Fat Choi, and say, wish everybody in Malaysia, your family, the world.
Wish everybody happy and wish everybody 恭喜发财, 新年快乐, and then wish my family healthy and get well forever.
Mahalo. From the ground floor of Jusco with the Vooka products and Chloe, JC, mahalo, out.